So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. This video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your password in your MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open your system settings first, and once you do that, you'll be shown this page right here, and you just need to scroll down and find Touch ID and password. So guys, this password helps you open your Mac. This is the first thing that you do when you open your Mac in order to unlock it. There's also a Touch ID option, so if you want to add a fingerprint or if you want to change your fingerprint, you can also do that. You can see that there's an option to turn the Touch ID off too, and there are many options for many things, so just go ahead and look at that too if you find them useful. But the main thing, the password change, is right here at top. Just go ahead and tap on change, and all you need to do is type in your old password and your new password, and you need to type it again to verify it. You need a password hint, and all you need to do is tap on change password, and you can successfully change your password in your Mac. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.